Once you build up your momentum and you have your online business running, then it's kind of easy to hit your first $1,000 in one day. In fact, I've been doing a few $1,000s every single day. But what if you're in a hurry and you don't really want to build a sustainable online business, but you just want to make $1,000 as fast as possible? Well, if you're in a hurry, these are 6 different ways you can make $1,000 today and get paid within the first 24 hours. Keep in mind that most of these methods that I will share will not make you rich or a millionaire, and it's not how you build a sustainable online business. But if you're really in a hurry, you can try some of these to make your first money online. All right, so in order to actually make $1,000 as fast as possible, you need to avoid everything that requires you to build a website, build a social media followers, be experienced, have a lot of special skills, or do anything that requires a lot of time and a lot of work. So we need to avoid all of those things. And task taking is essentially going to different websites that pay you to complete different tasks, and then just taking as many of them as possible in one single day and literally spending hours, if not 10 hours, 15 hours, just to complete as many different tasks. So there's websites like instagc.com that gives you digital gift cards and rewards instantly. So they pay you instantly within the first 24 hours, and you can complete surveys, you can watch videos, watch video ads, shop online, search the web. So you can help them complete different tasks and they will pay you out instantly. There's also a website called surveytime.io where you can get instantly rewarded with $1 for every survey that you complete. So you can start answering different questions and start completing different surveys to get paid. There's also cashstars.com where you can get instantly rewarded for watching videos, playing music, browsing Google, playing video games, and completing different tasks. And inside of the Online Business Friends free community on Skool that we've built, there is a person who shared, I believe, over 22 different free apps that you can sign up to, and you can make money, you can take tasks, and you can make money within the first 24 hours. The second way that you can make your first $1,000 today or make $1,000 as fast as possible is through Audible affiliate program. You see, Audible is this platform that Amazon made for selling different audiobooks, and their affiliate program pays you $5 when someone signs up for free. So you can give ebooks for free, and whenever someone just signs up and gets those ebooks for free, you get paid $5 without even selling anything. So all you would have to do is convince 200 people today to sign up through your affiliate link to make $1,000. It's not going to be easy. It would obviously be absolutely hard, but it is possible. So you can perhaps join a bunch of different Facebook groups, make as many YouTube videos, make as many Instagram posts and TikToks and Pinterest posts, and go to different forums and ask your friends and family and ask around for as many people to just sign up through your referral link, where they can also get free ebooks and they can get a free trial and free membership if they sign up through a link, and you're paid $5 per person, and then an additional $10 if someone actually ends up buying. But that's not gonna happen in the first day. But in the first day, you can still get paid $5 for every free membership. Again, 200 memberships would essentially mean $1,000. Option number 3 is to use a CPA network like TapMob. This is an app that I usually talk about where you can essentially get paid $5 to $10 per email collected. So you have all of these different offers inside of the TapMob app. You copy an affiliate link for one of these offers, and when someone signs up through your link without even buying anything, you still get paid like $5 to $10 depending on the offer that you chose. So if you choose an offer, I personally always have offers that pay me $5 per email. For example, I would just need to collect 200 emails today to make $1,000. Easier said than done, but it is possible. Number 4 is the big problem affiliate. That essentially means finding a big problem that people have and then finding a solution and then finding an affiliate program in that solution. So for example, I saw that a lot of people have a big problem with making money with YouTube automation. They didn't know how to get monetized, and it took them years to get monetized, and they would miss out on tens of thousands of dollars that they could have otherwise been making if they were monetized from the start. So we made the instant monetization service at dfydave.com/monetization, and thousands of people signed up and thousands of people are grateful for that service. And now we have an affiliate program there where you can essentially get paid almost $500 per sale. So just 2 sales of a service from this platform would mean $1,000 in affiliate commissions or $1,000 in profit. So you can just find any big problem, then a solution to that problem, and then just sign up for an affiliate program of that solution. And most of these programs and products are actually solutions to big problems. Option number 5 is to essentially just sell your own stuff. You probably have a lot of things that are just running around your house that you don't really use, and you're just thinking like, yeah, but maybe in the future future I'm gonna use it. Let's be honest, you're not. So you can just go to these different websites and you can sell it. If you go to wordy.com, you can sell your jewelry, for example. So anything that you have, you can just set an auction and you can sell it. And then you can also just go to a bunch of different websites where you can essentially sell your old stuff, whether it's gonna be on Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, eBay. You can just sell everything old that you're not using anymore and that you're lying to yourself that you are gonna use in the future, and we both know you're not gonna use it. Another option is to essentially be a part of the Online Business Club community, where we give away up to $8,000 a month in cash and other prizes. So we have the giveaway section over here, and every single month we announce new giveaway winners. So just by being inside, you have a chance to win prizes worth thousands of dollars. And then we also have the classroom section where you can learn different online business models. So I brought experts and mentors teaching different step-by-step training programs and showing exactly how to make money in different ways. Some people teach how to make $10,000 a month with AI automation agency. Some people teach how to sell digital products. Some teach how to get more clients, email marketing, affiliate marketing, video editing, all sorts of different things, including myself, where I teach step-by-step how to make money on YouTube without showing your face. And there are no ongoing fees or hidden costs or anything like that. And all of the future updates and upgrades are coming to you for completely free. It's also a platform where you can network with entrepreneurs from around the world to build your first $10,000 a month online business, and of course, go beyond that as well. But even if you just come for giveaways and networking, that's still fine, because in the giveaway section, we recently gave away $1,000 to one of the members for just being inside. And once you become a part of this community, you can go to the wins section over here and you can go through all of the other members' success stories, and you can see exactly what they're actually doing to make thousands of dollars online. And by the way, at the Online Business Club website, you can click on members results, and then you can scroll a little bit down and you can see that recently we also gave away $1,000 in cash to one of the members, but then we also gave away the trip to Maldives. There was also a MacBook giveaway as well, worth thousands of dollars. So you can learn more about the Online Business Club at onlinebusinessclub.com, or just by clicking the link in the description box down below. Either way, I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like down below, and I will see you next time.